What you're looking at here is a sample of the new Evolution structural post anchor, a structural wood post anchor actually, and this is the smallest yet strongest surface mounted wood post anchor on the market, and it hides literally everything inside the post. So if you've got an application for a railing system or any kind of idea that you might have where you require extreme performance, this is what you're going to be looking for. And we have data on this as 42-inch posts that are holding 640 pounds on a concrete surface. So it's truly extraordinary. Let's take a closer look, and I'm going to show you exactly what it's made of and how it works. Now all the magic happens with what's going on in the post. In the post we have an 11-inch tube that is squared at the ends here. I'll explain why that's done. It's tapped here at the bottom, in the inside, with a 7/8 by 9 thread. We have a 7/8 by 9 threaded stud which screws into the base plate here. It's a very precise fit. We have a specialty type of steel that we use here that has incredibly high yield resistance, and then we have some stainless set screws that are used here to achieve level. So when you're installing this on a surface, we would put these little plates down here. These are surface plates because, as you can imagine, if you're trying to level something out and you are applying a lot of pressure and all the pressure is directed to these little points here, they're more than likely going to depress into a softer material. So these parts here prevent that from happening. And once that's done, we then just install that till it bottoms out. And we take a ship auger and we drill a hole. Now you'll have to put this in a vise, you'll have to secure this, and you'll have to have some basic precision when you're doing this, and plunge that ship auger deep into the post a good 11.5 inches. This is 11 inches long, so you want to go a little bit longer. And if you notice as you start to drive this in that it's crooked, well then what you can do is put this back on the vise and go in with that ship auger again and clear up one side. The other little trick that I like to teach people is when they're inserting this tube into the post is to stop at the halfway point. And why would you do that? Well, you want to do that because you want to take a look and start to see how straight you are. For example, believe it or not, it's actually very easy to see if I'm on line or not. And once this is in the post, I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to mark the center of this tube visually with the ruler to the center of where the track on that center line of that tube is going, and just trace it. I'll explain why in just a second. You flip it over and you do the same thing. And then what we do is we measure up the post to say 7.5 inches. We drill through and we drop in one of these pins. These are 1/2 inch hardened steel pins, and they go all the way through. We flip the post over again, a little higher up. Now we hit this side and we do the same thing. So in the end, what we've now got is this tube embedded. And then the last thing we do for a 4x4, you're probably wondering what this is. This is a tension resistance bracket, and it's not actually required in a lot of cases, but we throw it in because we know that when you do use it with softwood, let's say you're using a Western red softwood, something like that, that this little part magically ramps up the performance by at least 30%. What we do is we set this like so. We first trace it on the bottom so we know where these little tabs should line up. We take the pointed tabs and mark those with the pencil line, and using a circular motion, I take a little hammer. I like to use a 3-pound mallet and just tap it in. It's going to set in deep into the post, and you can imagine what happens when this post is fully loaded, whereas it might want to split apart under extreme load. When this little part is inside there, what happens is it's physically impossible to rip the post off, and it just ramps up the performance like crazy. So that's what we use for the 4x4, and of course we also have a 6x6 with a similar arrangement. The 6x6 is being used for things like shade sail posts, of course railings and things like that, and you could put a sleeve over top of these if you wanted, so you could get the performance of a steel structural post anchor at less cost, or you could just show off wood in a way that it couldn't be showed off before. So it really expands your ability to do things as an architect, as an engineer, as a high-level builder, or even a homeowner if you're up to working with a ship auger. Definitely going to increase the opportunities to do really cool things around your backyard or wherever you're building. So do take a close look at the Evolution structural wood post anchor. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.